Specify image filling color when rotating in Python with PIL and setting expand argument to true. I'm trying to rotate an image in Python using PIL and having the expand argument to true. It seems that when the background of my image is black, the resulting image saved as a BMP will be a lot smaller than if I have a white background for my image, and then I replace the black due to expand with white. In either case, my original image is always of 2 colors, and right now I need the file size to be small, since I'm putting these images on an embedded device. Any ideas if I can force rotate to fill in another color when expanding, or if there is another way to rotate my picture in order to make it small?
If your original image has no alpha layer, you can use an alpha layer as a mask to convert the background to white. When rotate creates the background, it makes it fully transparent.
Here's a working version, inspired by the answer, but it works without opening or saving images and shows how to rotate a text. The 2 images have colored background and alpha channel different from 0 to show what's going on. Changing the 2 alpha channels from 92 to 0 will make them completely transparent.
There is a parameter fill color in a rotate method to specify color, which will be used for expanded area. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.